Hello, grade 1. Today we are going to learn about adding by counting on. And I have a book for you. It's called Jack the Builder. And this book is all about adding or counting on. So I'm going to read this one to you and then we'll do a few problems together. Jack the Builder. Written by Stuart Murphy, illustrated by Michael Rex. Alrighty, so here on this first page, I see some blocks, which most of you probably have at home, or you have some Lego or something to build with, something to use your imagination with, and that's exactly what happens in this book with Jack. So here's Jack with his blocks, and here we go. Blocks, blocks, blocks. Jack has a great pile of blocks. He can stack them, pile them, build them high. Just 2 blocks can build a robot toy to play with. So here he's using his imagination with those 2 blocks to build a robot. I bet you guys use your imagination all the time. Okay, Jack has 2. He'll put 1 more on top. So if we hold the 2 in our head and count 1 more, we can say, hold the 2, 3. 3 blocks can be a hot dog stand to get a treat. So here it looks like he's at a circus, it looks like a circus, and he's built a hot dog stand here for people to come with his 3 blocks. All right, Jack has 3. Now he'll add 2 more. So hold the 3 in your head, and we're going to count 2 more. So 3, 4, 5. He's going to put these on top. 5 blocks will make, what do you think? Can you guess? A ferry boat out to sea. So I see the first 2 blocks, the third one, and there's the 2 red ones he added. Look at all the things in this sea. Oh boy, this guy's in a bit of trouble. Here's some dolphins, a big whale tail. Here's even a lighthouse. Cool picture. Okay, Jack has 5. This time he'll add 3. So now I see these 3 orange blocks coming. So if we hold the 5 and we count 3 more. Hold the 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 8 blocks look like, what do you think that is? Let's check it out. A lookout tower to watch for planes. So here's his first 2, then the next 2, and then he added some more. A lookout tower. I see this plane has a lot of fire here, and I see a poor little mosquito or some sort of bug over here, poor guy. Okay. Jack has 8. Here's those extra 3. Now he's going to put on 4, so we have to count 4 more. Okay? Hold the 8 in your head, and let's get ready. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 blocks. 12 blocks can be, what is he going to imagine here? The tallest building in the world. You can see all these other little buildings that he's imagining, and his huge building, it's so, so tall. Okay, Jack has 12 blocks. Now he's going to add 5 more. Can we count on by 5? Let's see. Hold the 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, just like the book shows. Here's the 17 blocks. 17 blocks become, what do you think? A rocket ship ready for takeoff. Now, blast off. And I'd love to turn this way, but then our camera wouldn't see it, so you'll just have to use your imagination that way. No more rocket ship, no more building, no more tower, no boat, no hot dog stand, not even a robot friend. Nothing but a pile of blocks. So Jack can start again. And now it looks like he's using his blocks to make some sort of large construction truck over here. Jack loves to build. You may love to build as well. Let's do a little bit of adding by counting on. So when we do this, we want to look for the bigger number in the equation and hold that one in our head, and then add the smaller one, because if you start with the small one and you add the bigger number, it will take longer and it's not an efficient strategy for a mathematician. So step one will always be to figure out which one's bigger. If we look at these two, we have 4 plus 2 is the same as what? Okay, is 4 or 2 bigger? The 4 is bigger, so that's the one I'm going to hold in my head. And then I'm going to count on 2 more. You probably can't see those. Okay, so I'm going to hold the 4. And I'm just going to say 4, 5, 6. That's my answer. Okay? I don't need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because I know 4 is 4. So I just hold the 4 and go 5, 6. Let's try that again. We're going to go a little higher this time. 9 or 3. Which one is bigger? The 9. Okay. So I'm going to hold the 9 and I'm going to count 3 more. Okay? Hold the 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my answer. So now I know 9 and 3 is the same as 12. Okay, let's go down here. 6 and 1. Which one's bigger? The 6. How many am I going to count on now? Just one. Pretty easy. Hold the 6 and count 1 more. 7. 6 and 1 is the same as 7. Okay, on to the other side. 11 or 3, which one's bigger? 11. And now I need to count on 3 more, okay? So hold the 11 in your head. 12, 13, 14. There it is. 11 and 3 is the same as 14. Okay, let's go to the next one. 13 plus 2 is the same as, well, I know 13 is bigger than 2, much bigger. I'm going to hold the 13. I don't need to count all the way up to 13. I know that's 13. 13, 14, 15. 15 looks like this. 13 and 2 is the same as 15. Excellent. Last one, we have 16 and 4. Which one's bigger? 16. Okay, and I have to count on 4 times here. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We made it to 20. 16 and 4 is the same as 20. 16 and 4 equals 20. Okay, that's a short lesson on how to count on, or how to add by counting on. Hopefully you find some great success today in math.